Well, in 2024, I believe that we're going to see this continue to ramp up. Just in the last 6 months, I've seen a lot more organizations taking it seriously, and they're building these elaborate assessment processes. And in 2024, we're going to see more of this. We're going to see more of the state, federal agencies mandating that the assessments be done, having their own framework, um, hitting all of our all the companies out there with these requirements to fill out their assessment, mitigate their gaps, all of those things, and it's going to become a real burden for these companies. We already have a shortage of cybersecurity professionals, and now we're going to throw all this assessment work on top of it. So I think there'll be a lot of discussion in the forums and in the different discussion groups about this over the next year on how to not only deal with the assessment process, but maybe there needs to be some standardization around this, so that it's easier for companies to do their assessment, not have to have the manpower to, and it has to be technical manpower. It has to be people that are trained to fill out the assessments, and it's really not a good use of their time.